Hello everyone. Today we will be starting a new series of Excel where we will be learning about the different tabs and the ribbons of Excel. So this will be a great series to learn basic to intermediate to advanced Excel. First, we are starting with the home tab of Excel. So in the home tab, Excel has provided us all the features that are necessary for like very general use. तो आपको यहाँ पे वो सारे फीचर्स मिलेंगे जो आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉमनली यूज़ करने पड़ते हैं जैसे आपका कॉपी पेस्ट कट आपका कॉपी एज पिक्चर आपका फॉर्मेट पेंटर आपका बोल्ड इटैलिक अंडरलाइन जो भी आपको फॉन्ट्स चाहिए होते हैं तो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द होम टैब here there are many features which are very common which I am assuming that you all might be knowing so we will be starting from here. For example, this is the text which is written. So you want this text to be bold. You will go here and you will click on bold. You want this text to be italic. You can do it italic as well. You want it to be underlined. It will be underlined. If you want it double underline, it will be double underline. Then we have borders. We can use thick outside border. This will provide a definition to the selected sets. You can use all borders. This will provide a definition to all the cells. You can use draw border. You can, when we are using the draw border, we can just select specific cell and the type of border we want to create. For example, I just selected these two cells and I wanted to create a border around these two only. So draw border help us to customize a border and once I press escape, this will be gone. Here is fill color. Here it is text color. We can increase the size of the font. We can decrease the size of the font. We can do the alignment. We can do top align. We can do top align. We can do bottom align. We can do justified alignment. We can do bottom alignment. We can do right alignment. We can do left alignment. So all these features are present in the home ribbon of the Excel. Then we have different types of formats. We have general format, we have number format, we have currency, we have accounting, we have date format, we have percentage, we have fraction, and then we have many more formats which we require. And we can use them as per our needs. Now, we are moving towards the conditional formatting. We have conditional formatting. For example, I have this table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say this is Abhi, Anki, and Any. So this is the table. If I want to go and apply conditional formatting to it, I'll go highlight cell rule. I'll say duplicate values. If I'll say duplicate values, here it is. It has not highlighted anything. But see if I'll make it one. Because this is a duplicate, in the selected cells on which I have applied the conditional formatting, it will show me as red. Now we have format as table. We can just select the table and we can choose any format which we require. Because my table don't have headers, I am not selecting this text box. I'll just click OK. And now this is table has been converted to table format. And you can see that this table design tab has been added. Whenever we will click inside this particular table, we can see this table design format and we can use the other columns as well, other features of this table format as well. When I click outside it, the table design tab will be removed. So here we have conditional formatting, format as table and different cell styles. We can select any cell style whichever we want from this drop down. Then we have insert, delete, and format. So in format, we can set row height. We can use auto fit row height. Auto fit row height gives you the, for example, this is a row, and then it is this much. If I'll go to format and I'll say auto fit row height, it will just do this. It will just fit the contents of the row inside it, and the height will be adjusted as per the contents present in the row. Similarly, we have this. This is the auto sum. For example, I have these three columns, these three cells. I have selected these three cells. I'll go to this option and I'll select average. Like, I'll just go to the cell and I will select sum. So it has given me the sum. I can also, when I will do this, because this is a table format, we have a drop down here. I can select anything, whichever. For example, I can choose count. I can use count numbers. I can use max, min, many other formats. Here we have sorting options and filters. So we can sort smallest to largest, largest to smallest, custom sort, and everything. We have find and replace. Here are many different options present here. We have add-ins. What add-ins is? Let's go to add-ins, and you can see that you can add chat gpt. You can add python for excel. Whenever you will click on this particular add-in, your chat gpt will get enabled to be used in excel. You can go to analyze data. For example, I have this data. I can select it and I'll click on analyze data. When I'll click on analyze data, it will give me different analysis about my data. For example, here it is, because it is not a very like crisp data, or it is giving me some kind of analysis. It is just showing me random scatter chart. I can also ask questions about my data. For example, how many different column one are there, total column one and total column two. I can ask how many columns my data have, and it will just give me column 1. We have total of column 2. So analyze data gives a summarized view of my data, whatever I am working on. I can also use create a PDF. These are all the paid versions, like GPT for Excel or Word is also a paid version. Create a PDF is also a paid version. So this was just an overview of the home tab. You can also, like, this was just an overview. We will be doing more sessions, and we will be using all these features in depth for for more learning. Whatever we have to use, we will be doing it like a with a very sensible data, and we will be having a few hands-on sessions for to use all these features present in the home tab. And we will be learning new formulas. We will be learning XLOOKUP. We will be learning double XLOOKUP. So this was just an introductory session about the home tab. Thank you so much.